Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video, I'll be discussing the second Python collection called Tuples. So let's get started. Now tuples in Python, tuple is also a collection in Python which is ordered and unchangeable. But in Python tuples, they're written in within round brackets. All right, the regular round brackets, or you can say the parenthesis. All right, so let me show you an example like this. We can say fruits. I'll be presenting these tuples inside these regular round brackets and have some items as apple, strawberry, cherry, and banana. All right, so you can say we have successfully declared a tuple over here. If I would just print fruits and run it, you can see in our run window we got a tuple which consists of four items named as apple, strawberry, cherry, and banana. All right. Now we can also access tuple items as we did in list. All right. So in order to access tuple items in tuple, we can say print the name of the tuple fruits, and right now we'll be giving two square brackets, and inside square bracket let me give 2. All right. So you can see if I would run it, it's a cherry. All right, so because the index value of cherry is 2 and I have written that fruits of 2 so it is cherry. Okay, in tuple we have the concept, we have also the concept of negative indexing, that is print fruits of -2. So -2 means, or you can say -3, that is the third element right from the end. So this is -1, this is -2, and this is -3. So output will be strawberry. You can say it's saying that strawberry. All right. So we can also in tuples we can also do range of indexes. So let me just show you this. Let me just uncomment this piece of code and just write print fruits, fruits 2 to 5. So let me add some more name of fruits, like I would say melon, or and you can say the most liked fruit in summer, that is mango, uh, orange. All right, so if I would just declare that fruits from starting from index 2, that means starting from cherry right to index 5, which will be excluded. So index 5 is you can say, if I would run it, you can see cherry, banana, and melon. So index 5 was mango, which is excluded. So just like as list, we can also perform range of indexes in tuple also. All right. So similarly, there is also range of negative indexes. So if I would just write as print fruits, fruits, it's a typo. All right, from -1 to -4. Okay. All right, and the output is something like empty. Okay, so -1. Okay, so the mistake is we can't just follow this type of representation while we doing in our positive range index. So in negative range index we have to write -4 to -1. So if I would run it, we can see there's banana, which is -4, then melon -3, -2, and -1, which is excluded. All right. So now let me just uncomment this line. So with tuples, I will show you one more interesting things. So first of all, we said that tuples are unchangeable. That means they're immutable. So you can't change any item in a tuple. Unlike list, let me just open my list file over here. Here you can say there's a list of fruits. So apple, orange, strawberry, grapes, and banana. If in my program I would want to add a new name called mango to my fruits list. All right, so I will say fruits using the dot operator to access the function that is append. All right, I would say mango. So here you can see we have a yellow underline over here to a list. So basically PyCharm is saying me that if I would just press over, just hover over here and press this little bulb, and it's saying this replace list creation. So basically what is saying that just without getting this like fruits.append mango, you just add one another name over here that is mango. So no need to worry, it's all right. Now we'll say print fruits. If I would just print my list file, you can see apple, orange, strawberry, grapes, banana, and mango. So we can just mutate the list. We can add some more items to our list. All right. So but in tuples, in case of tuples, we can't add, so we can change any items, or we can't add any items, or we can't remove any items from a tuple. All right. So but tuples are unchangeable or immutable as it's so called, but there's a trick by which you can also change some of the items in our tuple. All right. So I think that I should change, I'm looking into my tuple that is fruits, and I think that I should change the name of strawberry to kiwi. Alright, so how did I do this? We should first convert the tuple to a list in order to change the name of the index. Alright. So how to convert a tuple to list? So we'll be using type conversion, which I just taught you in my previous video. So there's a video about type conversion. All right. So my tuple name over here is fruits. So let me just declare like a modified modified fruits equals, we will be type converting the tuple to list. So I'll be using list in brackets fruits. So here we converted our tuple that is fruits to a list. Now we would say modified fruits index. So I want to change the index value 1 that is named as strawberry to kiwi. So we will be accessing this index value as 1 and set it to kiwi. All right. So now I would say fruits equals, then I will again convert this list that is called modified fruits. So modified fruits is basically a list over here. So I would again type convert the modified fruits into a tuple. So I would say tuple modified fruits, and I would say print fruits. Okay. So we can say that, let me just explain you one more time. So we would, if you want to add any item to a tuple, alright, so what you have to do, first of all, convert the tuple into a list by taking another a variable, as I've taken the modified fruits. So we'll be using type conversion over here. So list fruits, and again, if you want to change some of the items, like I have changed the strawberry. So you should make sure that which index value you are changing. So I would say this index value right over here is 1, so I accessed the index value from here by using square brackets 1 and set the value to QE. So you can see fruits equals tuple modified fruits. At first the modified fruits was a list, alright, so then I would say fruits equals tuple modified fruits. Like I converted this list into a tuple again by using type conversion. So at last I print fruits. So if I would run it, you can see Control Shift F10. You can see the index value over index value 1 has changed the name to from strawberry to kiwi. So in order to like better visualization, let me just uncomment this line, print fruits. If I run it, you can see initially the index value 1 has a string called strawberry, but after my conversion, after the modification, I have the index value as kiwi. All right, so this was all about Python tuples, how to work around, and some of the uh, methods to access the index value of tuples. So in my next video, I'll be teaching you about Python set. All right. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.